Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Fun. And today we will make a game of basketball. Okay, so let's take a background for that. Okay, backdrops पे जाएंगे. We will search because we are searching for outdoor and we got the basketball background. Okay, now see how we are going to count the score, right? That is very important to understand. So see, you can find the rim, orange color rim here. This is going to act as a score for us. When ball will touch this rim, then we will count it as a square. Okay, and ball will move along your cursor. Okay, also ball will come down once you get the ball into the goal, right? And we will also have a player that is going to go behind the ball all the time. That's how we are going to plan for our today's game. Let's begin now. So we need two sprite for it. So let's search for two sprite. I mean, those sprites are here. One is a basketball, yes, and the other one is a basketball player. So let me look for a good player for a basketball. Suggest a player for me. Which one will be a good player for basketball? Uh, okay. No, I don't think Jamal will work. Hmm. Hmm. No. I think we have only one option, that is Andy. Or we can go for Dorian. Ah, yeah, I like Dorian. Yeah. Now you see, Dorian is already having a basketball. How to avoid such issue? Though, go to the costume. You know, now we have to remove this basketball only. To select this basketball and delete. You have to delete from all the costumes. Okay? Check all the costumes. Because everything should be same. It should not be that one is having one ball and other time it's having the other ball. Okay, so initially how Dorian should look like this. Because we want him to go behind the ball all the time. Right? Chal, let's code it. So I think there should be some change in the size. Ball बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा लग रहा है, तो let us reduce the size of the ball और हम ball को कर देते 80. Is it fine? Let us take it in the hands of Dorian and check. अभी भी थोड़ा सा बड़ा है. Let us make it 75 and check. Okay, need to reduce more. 70. Perfect. Okay. Actually, one more thing. You have to check with the backdrop also. Like, see, here you can see that color, no? This goalpost. This color is the very important part for us. So you don't have to change that color if you're changing something in the backdrop. Okay. So let's go for the coding of the ball. What will be the coding of the ball? Of course, when flag is clicked, then it will follow. All the time it will follow the forever loop, right? Forever means something that repeats again and again. ऐसी चीज जो बार बार होती है, that is in forever loop. अब कहाँ जाना चाहिए? Go to where? Where the ball should go? Ball should follow. See, wherever I will take the mouse, it will go there. Okay. See. Okay. Sorry. Now let us put the code for the score also. So for score we need a variable. So let's make a variable score. Okay. तो चलो अब now let's put it for that. सबसे पहले score initially 0 रहेगा. That you have to make it. The score will be 0. Now you have to put the condition if what if ball is touching the color. Which color? You have to choose with the dropper. Last time also I told you choose it with dropper. If it doesn't match, it will not be correct answer. Okay, it will change the values for you. Okay. Now if it is touching color, what should happen? Ball should glide down. To which position? Ball should come down here. Okay, and should go little bit down. No. Okay, let us see the value of x and y. I have explained you this before also. X and y defines the position of it. X matlab left and right, or y means up and down. ठीक है तो now x I think -2 will work better, or y -15 already. ठीक है, that is working good for us. चलो let's see how it works. Okay, तो अभी गोल हो रहा लग गया है. Goal is working fine. Now see, after goal it should go somewhere ना. It should go to some other place also. So after some time, after a pause for very small time duration, it should go for some other place also, right? Otherwise what will happen, all the time it will be at the same place. But go to is not look going correct with it. It's looking like a random jump, and we ball cannot take a random jump. I think glide is a perfect one. So let's see how it works. Okay, see, it followed the random position for the first time, and it came to the cursor again. Now let's increase the score for it. So every time there is a goal, the score will increase by one. Okay? So now after that, one more thing, it should not go outside. See, you can see here it is going outside the screen. Okay? So it should not go out of my screen. So for that, what I will do? I will put if on edge bounce. Now the ball will not go outside the screen. See, the score part now should work fine. See, okay? Yeah. Okay. Let us rotate the ball also a little bit. So let us set the rotation style for it. All around, it should rotate also somewhere, isn't it? Okay. So for rotation, we have to put the turn part. Okay. I want it to turn, no, turn little bit randomly to a particular angle. So it can be any angle, just to make sure it is moving. है ना? It's not the same thing all the time. Okay. See, it's rolling everywhere, here and there. Hmm? Isn't it? Working great. So let us put the scoreboard here on the top. It looks perfect. Okay, now let's code for the Dorian. Okay, Dorian as perfect. I think little bit the size should be increased. So I'm increasing the size of Dorian. Check. Now again coding for Dorian. When flag is clicked, forever loop. So all the time Dorian has to follow. Go to whom? Go to the basket. Let us see how it works. Okay, check. But ball is rotating to a particular angle only. I don't want that to happen. Let us remove this turn part. We don't want ball to go in a specific direction. Where is the ball? Okay. Mhm. Check on the ball position. Zero, zero, enter. Okay, ball is here. Let us start with the game. Okay. Okay, ball is behind the Dorian. That's why we can't see. Okay. Okay. I think we should add the ball in the hand of Dorian, because all the time ball will be behind Dorian. So let me add the ball again. So I'm just going ahead and taking again our Dorian. Okay, I'm going to the costume and I'm trying to undo it and add the ball maybe. So let's see how to paste or copy something. So what can be done now? See, you have to edit it. So better, instead of editing, what is the easy option? Delete the Dorian. We haven't coded much. Take a new Dorian, search for, and put it. Okay. Why I am putting it with the ball? Because ball will be always behind Dorian. Okay. You see now. Look, see. Okay. That's fine. Sure. Effective. Now let us put if on edge bounce also, so it will not go outside the screen. Okay. And yeah, your game is ready. Say if you want to add some sound on the basket, okay, then you can put. See. Now I have keep the see. Okay, let me show you both codes working. Isn't it working great? Okay, चलो. One more thing, डोरियन should not rotate. तो डोरियन का हम एंगल फिक्स कर देते हैं और रोटेशन लॉक कर देते हैं. I think now the game is completed. Let's check how it works. Okay. Acha, if you want the ball to come quickly, instead of 1 second, you can reduce the time. The ball will come quickly to you. Okay. So like I have reduced to 0.5 seconds. Now you see ball will come quickly to my person. Okay. So, that's it. I hope you like the game. You can save it with the name of basketball. And please do show your projects. Hope you liked it. Bye bye. See you in the next session with a new project.